In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Smartsheet. Whether you're a project manager overseeing complex workflows or a team member collaborating on shared tasks, Smartsheet is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you streamline your processes. Let's walk through the steps of accessing Smartsheet so you'll be up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, or Microsoft Edge. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, as Smartsheet is compatible with all modern browsers. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will make your experience smoother and reduce any delays loading the pages. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar located at the top and type in www.smartsheet.com. Hit enter, and this will take you directly to the Smartsheet homepage. Here you'll find a beautifully designed landing page offering various insights into the features and capabilities Smartsheet offers. Now, to get to the core of Smartsheet, you'll need to log in. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see a button labeled Login. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login page. This is where you can access your personal or corporate Smartsheet space. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. If your organization uses single sign-on or SSO, you can easily log in by selecting that option. Simply follow any additional instructions from your organization to access your account. This adds a layer of security and simplifies the login process if you're using multiple applications. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to what Smartsheet calls the Home tab. This is your central hub where you can access all the sheets, dashboards, and workspaces you're a part of. From here, you can dive into specific projects, start new ones, or modify ongoing tasks. The Home tab is designed for efficiency, giving you quick access to your most recent work and providing shortcuts to create new sheets or projects swiftly. To sum it up, opening and accessing Smartsheet is straightforward, but the immense capabilities it unlocks are what make it a standout tool for project management and collaboration. Whether you're using it to organize personal tasks or manage complex team projects, Smartsheet provides a flexible and intuitive platform. Now you're ready to explore and utilize the feature-rich environment of Smartsheet. So go ahead, log in, and discover the endless possibilities that Smartsheet has to offer.